land wandered by creatures of darkness. As night falls, these demons gain power and plunge the land into chaos and bloodshed. Among them are those whose corrupt spirits were once human. Prinnies. There is no flesh beneath their skin, only the souls of lifeless criminals. And to pay for their sins, they have been sentenced to a life of slavery. They are bound to serve day in, day out until their sins are forgiven. This is the tale of one such day, toiling under a cruel demon lord.
What's going on, dude? Master Anna's going crazy, dude! She found out about her missing stuff!
Hurry up and get to her room, dude! You know she hates waiting!
Who in the steaming hell ate my dessert? Was it me, dude?
We may be dumb, but we're not that dumb, dude! We never eat your food!
We just acted like we didn't know it was gone, so you wouldn't get mad.
Fine, then bring me the ultra dessert by tomorrow! If you do, I'll forgive your blatant stupidity. If you don't, you're all getting the axe! Literally! Ultra dessert? But anyone who goes after that winds up dead, dude!
And we explode! Even the middle of us wouldn't stand a chance, dude!
Let me explain. Prinnies explode when tossed or handled recklessly.
I thought you might try to use that as an excuse, so... Dude, he didn't explode! You've got until tomorrow morning. Understand? If you don't bring me the ultra dessert by then, well, you'll be begging me to let you explode! Capiche? Aye, aye, ma'am! You're the hero, dude!
Dude, you're in charge from now on!
Why is there only this one scarf, dude? Don't worry, dude. If you go down, we'll just give it to whoever's next.
We'll be cheering from the shadows, dude!
Give it your pretty best, dude! For the ultra dessert, you gotta collect all the ingredients first, dude. You'll have to get them from demons in 6 areas of the netherworld. You wanna trade spots with me, dude? Sure thing. Oh, but I'm busy today. Ask me again tomorrow, dude. What's with all the badass demons coming around lately, dude?
You new here or what? The young overlord died not long ago, dude.
Oh, then maybe I don't have to worry about the ultra dessert, huh?
Cool your jets, dude. Edna's just as powerful as any overlord. No way are any of these demons gonna go up against her, dude. This is mission impossible for us. We're just peons, dude.
I know. It's way dangerous. We're not cut out for this, dude.
I hope I get reborn before things get too bad here.
I don't know why she works us so hard. It's not fair, dude.
I guess that's what we get for being so awful in our past lives.
You're pretty smart for a Prinny, dude. scarf. You hear me? If you do, you'll explode the second you trip over your own feet.
Roger that! I'll hold on to it even if I die, dude!
Don't be stupid. If you die, you gotta let the next Prinny have it. I wanna see if you can get that ultra dessert before you're all dead.
So you don't even care if we make it through this, dude? Here we go, dude!
I've been waiting forever, but it's finally my turn! This is my game! It is, right? It's my time to shine! Here comes Asagi! Now, what candy should I eat first? Oh, you're a real runt. Where's your boss, Tiny? Never mind. Flavor Hunter Asagi will destroy you honorably anyway.
Actually, I'm the hero in this game, dude!
Whatever, Short Stack. You're just pissed because I called you Tiny, huh?
Seriously, dude, I'm the main character here!
Oh, I get it. This must be my first boss fight. All right, then. Bring it on, biatch!
She looks really hyped up, dude! Gotta have guts, dude!
Get ready. I lost! Again! Give me a break! This Pipsqueak is seriously the hero? And I'm still just some secret character that isn't even a secret? How'd he get my job? He's got no grace, no passion. I'm sick of all this bull poop. I was told specifically that I'm the main character this time.
Who told you that, dude?
I don't know, some producer. Don't worry about it.
What's a producer, dude? Sorry, dude. Someone's messing with you. Happens all the time here. Liars everywhere. Gotta watch out for that, dude.
Oh, Big Blue here knows everything, doesn't he? You don't impress me.
Dude?
I'm gonna do you a favor and let you creep off just this once. You better watch your back if I ever see you again.
That's definitely not something a hero would say, dude.